So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss about how to solve a very basic electrical circuit. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's say I have a very basic electrical circuit like this. Okay, let's say this is a resistor. Okay, having a resistance of 5 ohm, and this resistor is connected to a battery. Okay, and this battery has a EMF of 15 volt. Okay, now I want to find out the direction and magnitude of current through this resistor. Okay, so how to find it out? Okay, so in order to solve any electrical circuit, we have to know about three very important things. Okay, so let's see the important points first. Okay, the point number one, and point number one is nothing about the resistor equation. Okay, basic resistor equation, you have to know about this. Okay, so the basic resistor equation says that if you want to find out the value of VA minus VB, then you have to take the current which is flowing from A terminal to B terminal and you have to multiply it by the resistance value. Okay, so this is the very basic resistor equation. Okay, so in other word you can say that if you want to find out the current from the terminal A to B, okay, if you want to find out the current from the terminal A to B, then you have to find out VA minus VB upon resistance value. Okay, similarly if you want to find out the current from B to A, then you have to write the equation as VB minus VA upon the resistance value. Okay, so this is the very basic resistor equation. Okay, and this is very important. Okay, so this you have to keep in your mind. Okay, whenever you are calculating VA minus VB, then you have to take the current which is flowing from A to B. Okay, and one thing I will say that a current of I flowing from A to B is exactly equivalent to a current of minus ID flowing from B to A. Okay, a current of I flowing from the terminal A to B is exactly equivalent to a current of minus I flowing from B to A. Okay, the next important thing is battery equation. Okay, so a battery always maintains a fixed potential difference across its terminal. Okay, battery is such a device which maintains a fixed potential difference across its terminal. Okay, let's say I have a battery of like this. Okay, and the EMF is 5 volt. Okay, this battery always maintains a potential difference of 5 volt across these two terminals. Okay, this higher side minus lower side is always equal to 5 volt. Okay, so we can say that potential of higher side minus potential of lower side is how much EMF. Okay, or whatever written on the battery. Okay, or in other word you can say that potential of positive side minus potential of negative side is equal to whatever written on the battery. Okay, okay, So this is the very basic battery equation. Okay, you have to always this side minus this side equal to whatever written on the battery. Okay, so let's say this side has a potential of 2 volt. That means this side has to be a potential of how much? 7 volt. Okay, because this side minus this side has to be 5 volt. Okay, so let's say this side has a potential of 0 volt, then this side has to be 5 volt. This side has minus 3 volt, then this side has to be a potential of how much? 2 volt. Okay, the third very important point is all the points connected by conducting wire are at same potential. This is the very important point. Okay, all the points which are connected by a conducting wire, okay, are at same potential. Okay, so these are the very important 3 things. Okay, by applying these 3 things you can solve any type of electrical circuit. Okay, these are 3 important things. Okay, never forget these 3 things. Okay, this is the resistor equation, and the resistor equation says that whenever you are writing Va minus Vb, then you have to take the current which is flowing from A to B and you have to multiply it by the resistance value. Okay, similarly if I want to find out the value of current from this to this side, that means A to B terminal, then I have to write Va minus Vb upon resistance value. Similarly, if I want to find out the current flowing from B to A side, then I have to write the equation as Vb minus B upon resistance value. Okay, and the current of I flowing from A to B is exactly equivalent to a current of minus I flowing from B to A. Okay, and next thing is the battery equation. Okay, and the battery is such a device which maintains a fixed potential difference across its terminal. Okay, so the potential of higher side minus the potential of lower side is equal to the EMF, or you can say that whatever it is on the battery. Okay, so the potential of positive side minus potential of negative side is equal to whatever it is on the battery. Okay, and the third point is all the points which are connected by a conducting wire are at same potential. Okay, so these are the very important points. Okay, if you remember these 3 things, then you can solve any type of electrical circuit. Okay, so let's solve this electrical circuit. Okay, so what you have to do, your first task is you have to take the potential of the any of the point of the electrical circuit to be 0. सर्किट के किसी भी एक पॉइंट के पोटेंशियल को 0 मान लेना है. दिस इज द योर फर्स्ट टास्क. ओके, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to take the potential of the any of the point of this electrical circuit to be 0 volt. Okay, सर्किट के किसी भी एक पॉइंट का पोटेंशियल को 0 वोल्ट मान लेना है. ठीक है ना. then what is your next task, you have to apply this third point. Okay, what the third point says, third point says that all the points connected by a conducting wire are at same potential. जो सारे पॉइंट जो भी एक कंडक्टिंग वायर के माध्यम से कनेक्टेड हुए हैं, दे हैव द सेम पोटेंशियल. ओके, so this is a conducting wire. Okay, so all the points of this wire are at same potential. Okay, this is the very important thing. Okay, you have to keep in your mind. Okay, all the points which are at connected by a conducting wire are at same potential. Okay, so since this point is a 0 volt, So all these points have how much potential? 0 volt. Okay, so this point will also have a potential of 0 volt, this point will also have a potential of 0 volt, this point has also potential of 0 volt, this point, this point, this point, this point. Okay, all these points have a potential of 0 volt because they are connected by a conducting wire. Okay, unless and until you are getting a resistor or a battery or any other electrical element, you take the potential of the points to be 0 volt. Okay, जब तक आपको किसी एक रजिस्टर या फिर बैटरी या फिर एनी अदर इलेक्ट्रिकल एलिमेंट्स नहीं मिल रहा है, then you take the potential of all these points to be how much? 0 volt. Okay, conductive wires imply that same potential. This is the very important point. Okay, so this point will also have the potential of how much? 0 volt. Okay, now again see that this is a battery and this side is a potential of 0 volt, and by the help of battery equation, higher side minus lower side should be equal to how much? The EMF. Okay, so this side minus this side equal to how much? 15 volt. Since it is a 0 volt, so this side has to be how much? 15 volt. Again, since it is a conducting wire, so all these points have to be a potential of how much? 15 volt. So this point has to be a potential of 50 volt, this point has to be a potential of 50 volt. So all these points have to be a potential of 50 volt. Okay, so this point will also have a potential of 50 volt. Now this is the resistor of 5 ohm. Okay, so these are the two terminals and we know the potential of both the terminals, and in order to find out the current through a resistor, what is the requirement? The requirement is you have to anyhow find out the potential difference across this resistor, and you have to just divide this potential difference by the resistance value. Okay, and the direction of current is always from higher to lower side. Okay, so this point has a potential of 50 volt and this point has a potential of 0 volt. So let's say I want to find out the current which is flowing from A to B. That means I want to find out what is the current which is flowing in this direction. Okay, then I have to write the formula as VA minus VB upon the resistance value. So this will be how much? 50 minus 0 upon 5, that will be 3 ampere. Okay. Let's say I want to find out the current which is flowing from B to A. Then I have to write the formula as VB minus VA upon the resistance value. So it will be your 0 minus 15 upon 5, it will be minus. So we can say that a current of minus 3 ampere is flowing from B to A, or which is exactly equivalent to a current of 3 ampere flowing from A to B. Okay. So these are the three very important points you have to keep in your mind. Okay, you have to apply these three points while solving any type of electrical circuit: the resistor equation, the battery equation, and the conducting wire means same potential. Okay, and you have to take the potential of any of the point to be 0, and accordingly you have to write down the potential of other points. Okay, so let's see another example. Okay, let's say I have a